Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. In my last video, I showed you how to easily roast eggplant in the air fryer and make tasty bharta out of it. Do check it out. The link is in the description below. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy chole recipe. This traditional chana masala or chole is quite popular in Indian cuisine, especially in Punjab. Chole is a Punjabi word for chickpeas and masala is a word for spices. I'm going to share my secret ingredients, so keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this, I'm taking 2 cups of dried chickpeas. I'm going to share this very important step to prepare chole, so don't skip it. In Indian tradition, we always soak chickpeas overnight. This not only helps to cook faster but also reduces the phytic acid and eases the process of digestion and reduce bloating. Add enough water and soak it for 10 to 12 hours. Next day it doubles in size and you will see how chickpeas absorbs a great deal of water. Now rinse it well under cold running water. This will also help to get rid of any dust or dirt particles clinging on the chickpeas. This extra step will keep our health going and glowing. As part of my meal prep, I'll cook chickpeas and masala separately. Now let's cook the chickpeas in the instant pot. Add the soaked drained chickpeas into the pot. Fill water, keeping the level 2 inches above the chickpeas. You can see my finger pointing the water level. To this, add pink Himalayan rock salt. You may use regular salt instead. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi powder. To this, throw 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 black cardamom. Apart from the flavor, it helps to digest without feeling bloated. Place the stainless steel pot in, cover the lid and press the pressure cook button. Set the time for 20 minutes high. There is also a bean button. Make sure it's for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let the pressure release naturally. When you cook chickpeas along with the masala, the cooking time is going to take much longer. It will take 30 to 35 minutes, even 40 minutes in the instant pot. Because acid in the tomato encounters the chickpeas, the cooking time takes a little bit longer. I'm going to show you how to cook the chickpeas and masala separately so that you can store it in the fridge separately. You can store the masala in the freezer for about 2 weeks. This video is just helping you as a beginner, help with your meal preparation so that it's easy during the weekday or it's easy during the weekend to just combine the masala and chickpeas together. Now let's see how to prepare this masala for chole. I'm chopping 2 large red onion. The more onion you use, the better it's going to taste. I have 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies. For this video, I already cooked 1 batch of chickpeas. I'm transferring it in a bowl to cool down. I'll show you how to cook the masala in the instant pot itself. Press cancel and press saute button. Set the time for 10 minutes. Once the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You may use ghee if you prefer. To this, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let it sizzle a bit. Then add 2 cloves. All these whole spices have plenty of health benefits apart from producing the flavor. Then add chopped green chilies, chopped garlic and ginger. To this, add 1 string curry leaves. You don't have to, but I like to add curry leaves due to the fantastic flavor. Add in the chopped onion, mix everything well. In the meantime, I'm going to puree 2 tomatoes. This will help balance the spice and give a bit of tangy flavor to the curry. Keep sauteing the onion until they are nicely caramelized and dark brown in color. If you think the onion is too dry, add 1 teaspoon of oil. These are some small tips for a beginner to add oil, water when you see the spices get over dry. This is how the onion should look. It looks great. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Here comes the Chana Masala. This is available in Indian store. Add 1 tablespoon of Chana Masala. I'm just eyeballing it with 20 years of cooking experience. Next, adding my secret ingredient, half teaspoon sambar powder. This is optional. You don't have to add. I love it. It's just a mix of various spices. To this, add tomato puree. This is going to bring out the color of our chole. Mix everything and saute until the tomatoes cook well and you get this rich dark color. Add a bit more salt according to your taste. This onion tomato masala looks gorgeous. I'm going to show you how the chickpeas turned out after 20 minutes. Let the pressure release naturally. Carefully open the lid. It's going to be hot. You'll see the chickpeas are perfectly cooked. When you see the outer layer skin is parting, it's a sign that chickpeas are tender and soft as you check by gently pressing. Now here's the tip. I'm lightly mashing the chickpeas when it's still hot. This will give a thick consistency for chickpea curry. If you're not going to make the curry right away, transfer it, let it cool and store it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days without throwing the water. You can also drain the water and keep it separately. Now I'm adding the pre-cooked chickpeas to the masala. Stir well until everything is incorporated well. Add 1/4 teaspoon pomegranate powder for some tart and 1 teaspoon garam masala in the end. This chole smells so good that I can dig in right away. Wow, love the way it has turned out. Beautiful. Finish it off with some fresh cilantro or coriander leaves. It's going to be a burst of flavors in your mouth. Serve it hot. You can have it with puri, roti, naan, rice or just like a chaat. Mashing chickpeas helps. Chickpeas cooked by itself are done in 20 minutes. And if you add the soaked chickpeas to the masala, then cook it for 35 to 40 minutes on high in Instant Pot. If you prefer low carb diet or looking for a weight loss diet, instead of rice, substitute with cauliflower rice. Comment below if you like Chana Masala and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.